Okay, second graders, this is your math lesson for Monday the 20th. A few days ago, we learned how to multiply by 10. We did it with macaroni in school, if you remember. So if we had 6 groups of 10, think how many did we have? 4 groups of 10, how many did we have? So we're going to count by 10, 6 times, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 10, 20, 30, 40. So if you remember, the multiplication facts that we use to show these are 6 times 10 equals 60, and 4 times 10 equals 40. Well, today we are going to learn some more multiplying. We are going to multiply by 1, and we're going to multiply by 100. And Mrs. Ostin added some Jack Hartman videos to her playlist, so you can watch some Jack Hartman, which we probably would have done in school. So let's talk about these problems now. Instead of groups of 10, we have groups of 1. So if we have 6 groups of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of 1. How many do we have? We have 6. If we have 4 groups of 1, 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, we have just 4. And if we have 9 groups of 1, you got it. It would just be 9. So multiplying by 1 is pretty easy because you keep the same number. So let's look at some problems here and see if we can get some ideas. Now, anything times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, anything times 1 is the same number. So you could do big ones too. So 100 times 1 is 100 because we have 100 groups of 1. So let's talk about multiplying by 100. Now, if you know multiplying by tens, you know multiplying by hundreds. If we have 6 groups of 100, so we're going to count by 100, 6 times, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So we're going to take this first number and we're going to add 2 zeros behind it. 4 groups of 100 is 400. And 9 groups of 100 is 900. So some multiplication facts that we can write are 6 times 100 equals 600. And 4 times 100 equals 400. And last, 9 times 100 equals 900. So remember, you can take any number, 21, and you can multiply it by 100. All you're going to do is take that same number and then add 2 zeros behind it. So 21 times 100 is 2,100. Have fun multiplying by 1 and 100.